so good to see you, Paul. Have you lost weight? I can almost put my wings around you.
Well, maybe a little.
Oh, poor you. You must feel weak. Let me get you some soup.
No, that's okay, Dad. I'm not hungry.
Not hungry? Paul, are you all right?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. Earlier today, I was fighting these bandits. Nothing too dangerous. I mean, they were just,
Yeah?
And then the strangest thing happened. I had this crazy vision. I think I saw my mom and me as a baby.
Mom? A baby?
Dad.
What are you talking about?
How do I say this? Where did I come from?
Well, you see, son, baby geese come from a little egg. Don't ask me where the egg comes from.
Dad, that's not what I meant.
I know it's not. I think it's time I told you something I should have told you a long time ago.
Okay.
You might have been kind of adopted.
I knew it.
You knew? Well, who told you?
No one. I mean, come on, Dad.
But if you knew, why didn't you ever say anything?
Why didn't you say anything? How did I get here, Dad? Where did I come from?
Actually, you came from this. It was just another day at the restaurant. Time to make the noodles. I went out to the back where my vegetables had just been delivered. There were cabbages, turnips, radishes. Only there were no radishes. Just a very hungry baby panda. There was no note. Of course, you could have eaten it. I waited for someone to come looking for you, but no one did. I brought you inside. Fed you. Gave you a bath. And fed you again. And again. And tried to put some pants on you. And then I made a decision that would change my life forever. To make my soup without radishes. And to raise you as my own son. Xiaopo, my little panda. And from that moment on, both my soup and my life have been that much sweeter. And little Paul, that's the end of the story. Look at me. No, don't look at me.
That's it? That can't be it. There's gotta be more, Dad.
Well, there was the time you ate all my bamboo furniture. It was imported too.
One dumpling, please. Dragon warrior size.
Oh, Paul, your story may not have such a happy beginning, but look how it turned out. You got me, you got Kung Fu, and you got noodles.
I know. I just have so many questions. Like, how did I ever fit in this tiny basket? Why didn't I like pants? And who am I?